I take this opportunity to tell you it is fantastic to consider the variety of food while you are selecting the types of food to eat. I know there's some people who like to consume a single types of food today, the next day, a week, a month, without changing the kind of food they are consuming. But to make sure you have obtained the different kind of nutrient, we have to incorporate the variety of food in our dietary pattern. Because of there is what we call essential nutrient and the non-essential nutrient. Essential nutrient, those are the nutrient our body is not able to produce them. We have to obtain them from the diet. So to make sure you have obtained those nutrients, you have to consume the variety of food. Today you can eat the different types of food, and tomorrow you change, you bring or you incorporate other types of food into your dietary pattern. But what you have to make sure, you have to check if you have consumed the balanced diet. If your diet includes carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and I can say fat. But you can do that today and tomorrow. You change the types of food that was involved in. Thanks. Consider to make sure you have obtained the different kind of nutrient. As I told about the variety, you have also to consider the plant-based foods. You have also to select the variety of color, and you can cook the food into different methods. So thank you very much.